Danny Wonderlab! Did you have a nice day? We have a surprise for you!
Today we're going to show you how to become a real spy agent.
The first thing you need is a secret spy agent outfit.
We're ready to be a real spy agent.
Outfit is not enough. We need a magnifying glass to find fingerprints and clues. Let's make a DIY fingerprint pad.
We'll need paper,
Pencil, tape, and scissors to cut the tape. With your pencil, you need to scribble a dark area on the paper.
Rub your finger on the stamp pad.
Done. Stick a piece of tape on your finger to pick your fingerprint.
Like this. You have to remove the tape and then you have to stick the tape on the white paper.
And then write your name.
Okay? There we go. Look.
Our fingerprints are different.
Now do the same for all your fingers so you'll have a spy fingerprint report.
Like we did. Danny, do you know fingerprints are all different?
Yeah. That's why agents look for fingerprints on the cream signs. A special agent needs a torch to see in the dark and to see secret messages. Let's do our invisible ink. First things to do is to squeeze the lemon in the bowl that we already put a few droplets of water.
Wow! Oh, lemon juice! Dip your cotton buds in your invisible ink and then write your secret message.
I'm going to start writing.
Leave it to dry for a few seconds. If you want to reveal your secret message, grab the torch and put it under the paper or on top of the paper and you'll reveal your secret message. Danny, hold my paper.
Put it under.
Let's
D-A-N-N-Y. And a smiley face.
But on the top of everything, we need
agility.
Danny, looks like we have a first message to complete.
Are you ready for our first mission?
Of course!
Let's go!
I got the magnifying glass, Danny! I got the torch! It's real!
Look there! Let's go!
Let me see if we can find any clues.
Let's try and turn them around.
Yeah.
This is a secret message. Julie, hold it like that. What is it?
Question. There's nothing.
Let's put the light behind. What does it say here?
Danny.
Sub.
Let me see. Subscribe
To our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab.
Yeah. Continue following us because
we are still going to be here with more spy mission.
Danny, come with me.